Hello everyone, ke Coach Tanki over here. Ke tlo bua ka breakfast now. Hore ke tlhalosa hore na breakfast, why is it called the best and the very important meal of the day? So wa utlwa lebitso lena break fast. Hona ho bolela hore o break a fasting e neng e etsahala ha o no robetse, and ha o no robetse it was a fasting period because o no sa kgone ho ja, o no sa kgone ho etsa letho for 6 to 8 hours. So ha re sheba the qualified breakfast, ke meal e leng hore o tla o thusa hore o kgutlisetse di-nutrients tse wena o di sebedisitseng ha o no robetse, and number 2 you fe di-nutrients tse e leng hore o tlo kgona ho di sebedisa hore o tswele pele ka letsatsi la hao. Okay, so dintho tse leng hore o di sebedisitse, re tla qala ka the energy. The time o no robetse, the internal organs like pelo ya hao, matshwafo, the brain ntse di sebetsa because you were still breathing. The brain ntse e thusa to control everything in your system. So re hloka the healthy carbohydrates tse tlo thusa to give you that energy, because the carbohydrates, they are the main source of energy. So o tlo hloka the healthy carbohydrates tse tlo thusa hore o kgone ho fumana energy ya hao back to your body, so that o tsebe ho tswela pele ka letsatsi la hao. Number 2, re na le the proteins. Mmele wa hao e ne le nako o builder the cells. As you know, during the day ha o ntso sebetsa, some of the cells they can be dead, some of them they will be damaged. So o tlo tlameha hore o di repair, and your body also need to build another new cells. So this protein ke yona e tlo thusa hore e rebuild those new cells, and you thusa hape to build your body hore o be strong enough again to continue with your day. Number 3, re na le the fats, and these healthy fats ke tsona tse thusang for the normal vision, e leng pono ya hao. Di thusa hape le pelo ya hao e dule ntse e sebetsa hantle. So all these fats tsena, they also help you to store the vitamins like the vitamin A, D, E and K. So o tlo hloka mafurana for those things. Also le kelello ya hao e sebedisa these fats. So you tlo hloka ho replace these fats. And another one, we have the fiber. As we know that fiber, when we take fiber and the hydration, ke tsona tse thusang to cleanse your digestive system. That is why most of the people, when they wake up in the morning, ba tlo tlameha ho etsa number 1 or 2 to show that their body is cleansing. Some of the people, they go during the night. So mmele wa hao ke nako o fumanang that chance ya ho tlosa the waste out of the body. So you need to replace the water. That is why it's very important to immediately when you wake up, you take 1 to 2 cups of warm water or replace metsi e bang a sebedisitswe in your body, and you also lose water nako ntsong o breathe. So even sweating. So there's many ways to lose metsi. So you need to we have the phytonutrients, and on the phytonutrients, in the simple ways, most of the people ba share the 7 colors of the food only on Sunday, but it's very important to eat daily, because those different colors of the food, like orange from the carrots, and red from the beetroot, and the green from miroho. So kaofela those colors dinali important nutrients tse leng hore o ka kgona ho di fumana mono, and they are different ka the ratings are the nutrients, and so you need to try by all means so o je all the colors as possible. And re na le the vitamins and the minerals. Re na le bo the vitamin C for help we to say the cells tsa hao di dule di ntse di phetse hantle. We know that things like vitamin A di tlo thusa the immune system ya hao, the vitamin B for the normal energy production in the body. So kaofela di na le dintho tse leng hore di thusa mmele wa hao ka tsona. So you need to include them, all of them. So ke yona breakfast ba hao kaofela bo feletse. You don't just eat one nutrient, then after that o should tlohella, but you need to give the body the nutrients then kaofela hore e tle tsebo sebetsa properly. So over here I have the best meal that you can use. I don't know if you can see. So here you see there is a list of the nutrients here. we have the carbohydrates, the proteins, we have the 24 vitamins and the minerals that you can use as part of your meal. So this is a meal replacement in all these nutrients, and you can use it in the morning or you can use it as a lunch time. So this meal, it also promotes the weight loss or the weight gains because of the protein. It's about 10 grams of the protein. So this is the best meal that you can use, especially in the morning. Most of the people, they are busy in their morning hours. Prepare the healthy meal. So the meals, it's already being prepared for them. So if you need more information about this meal, you can just send me a message below. Goodbye, everyone.